This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lessa Miller. This sweet bungalow is close to Indiana University and Grant Park. Dining and services nearby. This home has been in the same family since 1959 and lovingly restored. Everything was replaced with new appliances, new hard surface flooring throughout, new windows, new electric and new plumbing. Special process used to retexture the walls and give it an old world look. Clawfoot bath will have additional shower feature by time of closing. Basement stays nice and dry. This 2-bed, 1-bath home has a private upstairs bedroom with an adjoining den/study. Nice large yard is perfect for window viewing, recreation, and just having some space. Plenty of parking off and on street. Owner is in process of adding shower to claw bathtub.